Dear students, now I am going to explain about cylinder method. So this method is used for the determination of bulk density, particle density, and percent pore space of soil sample. So all the three parameters can be estimated using this method. So for this we need a 100 ml measuring cylinder with stopper, and then we have to exactly weigh 20 gram of soil sample and transfer the sample in small quantities at a time. The entire soil should not be transferred at a time. In small quantities we have to transfer the soil with gentle tapping. So that the soil is completely packed in the cylinder. Transfer the soil in small quantities at a time with gentle tapping. So after completely transferring the soil, note down the volume of the soil. Weight of the soil is 20 gram. Then we have to note down the volume of the soil. So that is V1. Weight W 20 gram, V1. So V1 is 17 ml. So volume of the soil is 17 ml. Then afterwards pipette out and add 50 ml of water. So we should pipette out. We should not use measuring cylinder. ml water. The water should be added along the sides. Slowly add the water along the sides of the cylinder. So W is the weight of the soil 20 gram. V1 is volume of water 50 ml. Then V1 is the volume of soil 17 ml. V2 is the volume of water added 50 ml. V3 is, what is V3? We simply add V1 plus V2. So 17 plus 50, 67 ml. So that is V3. Then after completely transferring the water, we have to keep it undisturbed for 30 minutes. And while adding water, we have to take care that at least 5 cm of standing water should be there above the soil. At the same time, after adding water, the total volume should not exceed 100 ml. So, should not exceed 100 ml, and at the same time, at least 5 ml of standing water should be there above the soil. Then after completely transferring the soil, keep it undisturbed for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So the water will enter into the soil and it will fill all the pores will be filled with water. So after 30 minutes, note down the final volume of the water. So the final volume of the water is, what is, we can denote it as V4. So V4, so now we have 4 volumes, V1, V2, V3, V4. So from using these values, we can calculate the bulk density, particle density and percent pore space. So formula for bulk density is weight by volume. So weight of the soil 20 by volume of the soil V1. So 17. So if we simplify, we can get the bulk density. Particle density, weight of the soil by volume of soil solids. So that is volume of soil minus pore volume. So pore volume, how to calculate the pore volume? So V3 and V4 we have. V3 is V1 plus V2, 67 ml. V4 is the volume at the end of the experiment. So V3 minus V4 will give the pore volume. So soil volume minus pore volume, we can get the volume of soil solids. So weight by volume of soil solids, we can get the particle density. And percent pore space, volume of pores divided by volume of soil, total volume of soil into 100. So that will give the percent pore space. So using this method, we can estimate all the 3 parameters: bulk density, particle density and percent pore space.